and welcome at the Plan With Me video of the Winter Floral sticker book. I'm super excited to create some spreads with it. Let's start! Okay, let me decide first which florals I'm going to use. I really like the purple with blue ones. I also want to use some boxes. Let me see. I think I'm going to use these ones. Okay. I first need to think a bit what I'm going to create. Yeah. I want to have enough space to write things down because I have a lot of plans every week. Let me see. It's just so hard to choose. Uh-oh. And then I'm going to fill this with boxes. I think I'm going to prefer to use some blue boxes from the Rainbow Florals because I want to use some just blue boxes, which is great that I have my own boxes now without the going to add a purple floral from here or a blue one. Okay, it's not perfect. I'm really not a perfect planner, but yeah. Let's see. The next one, I'm going to use a purple box from this sticker book. And a blue floral. Oh my god. It's not straight at all. Uh-oh. Okay, and then I'm going to use another box with some decorations to have some darker florals as well. And then a blue box here. So I have both purple and blue on every side. I think it's really pretty. I think I'm missing something here. Let me see. I'm really a big fan of bouquets. I think they really, you can do a quick plan with me and still have a lot of stickers going on. Little small one. I think I'm done with this spread. And if you're wondering why I'm decorating a December spread, I'm going to redate this page for January, of course. Yeah, I think I'm happy with the result, except for it's not perfect, but it's perfect to me. At least I can write in it. Well, thank you for watching this video. This sticker book is still available to order at planythingshop.com and also as a part of the Winter Florals box. This sticker book is available for $20. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and see you at the next one. Bye!